Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add and remove from cart on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy and log into your account. So go to their site or their app and then log into your account. So once you've done that, so now what are you going to do now? If you want to add something to your cart, first let's search for a product. So let's find a product that you want to add to your cart. So for example, you can choose if by you can search by a shop name or the product name. So let's say if I say product names, then let me just choose any product here. So I'll just search for any product, search for a product here, and probably I'll just choose this here, these shoes. That's fine. So just select the product that you wish to add to your cart. All right. So here, so this is the shoes I'm want to like add to my cart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to firstly do all your preferences, like select your preferences. For example, since this is a shoe, I'm going to select the size and then the color, and then this varies depending on your item that you're adding. So and click on these information here, agree to the terms, the purchasing terms here, and then all you have to do now here to add to cart is just simply hit on add to cart. So this will be now added to your cart. So if you want to go to your cart, you can simply go click on this shopping trolley here. So that's your cart. So click on it and you can get to your cart here. So this is the item that you just added. So that's how you add an item. So if you want to like remove it, then you can simply hit on this. You can either select this item and then hit on delete. So that will remove it from the cart, and then just confirm OK. And now that it's removed from your cart. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.